Screencast will show you how to use the review functions on Microsoft Word. We'll be doing a lot of annotating and giving feedback to writers, as well as making notes and annotations on our own writing in this class. And because it's an online class, a lot of that is more convenient if we can find a way to make online annotations. Microsoft Word has an easy way to do that, and this screencast is going to show you the basics of those functions. So you can access the review functions up here at the top of the ribbon where it says Review. So when you click that, it gives you these review options. Now, I'm not only going to go into the basics for this class, but they're easily enough to do what we need. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the Track Changes function. That's right here. So if you go to Track Changes and click on it, it'll turn yellow. What this does is it means that it will keep track of every change that you make in a document. So let's say that I wanted to go in and change the title and added something. See that the additional change that has been made is shown in red and is underlined so that it's easy to see from the standard text. The same thing happens when you go in and delete something. If I delete that, it shows it's struck through. Now this is nice because you can see all of the changes that you've been making to your document. Any additions will look like this, underlined and in red. Any deletions will look like this, strike through. And if you hover over the top of one of the changes, you can see who made the change, if there's multiple users, the day and time, and what the change is. Okay, and you can make this as extensive as you want. You can go and add as many words as you like, or you can delete as many words as you want. Okay, so that's the Track Changes function. Anytime you show Track Changes, it will keep a record of every single change that has been made in the document. Okay, the next thing that I want to show you is comments. We're going to use this a lot when we give comments to other people on their writing. The comment function is right here. You see this little, looks like a file folder and it says New Comment. Whenever you click that, it will allow you to write a comment on somebody's paper. So, say I wanted to make a comment about this last name. See that it will create this area on the right side of the page and it will allow you to write notes about the highlighted area in red. In this case, the reader will be able to see the comment and read it and can tell that this comment is associated with this highlight. Okay? If I do a second comment, say that I wanted to make a comment about this title, so these are some very basic functions that you can use in any version of Microsoft Word that you're likely to have or that's available on the college. Okay? If you were to save this draft, then it would save with all of these changes made, which means that if you turned it in, if you submitted it on Canvas, I would be able to see these notations. Some of the assignments that we have in class are going to ask you to annotate text and turn in the annotations. This is how you would do that. If you want to go back and delete an annotation, you can do that with these changes, the Track Changes, by going up to the Accept or the Reject. Okay? To delete, just go to Reject, and you can reject the change and move to the next edit, or just reject the change. To get rid of a comment, just select the comment and delete. Okay? It's not very difficult, it's easy, and it's useful. So again, Track Changes. Turn Track Changes on to keep a record of all changes to a document. To delete, simply select something and hit delete. To write, simply write. And to make a comment, select the area that you're talking about and go ahead and write the comment after hitting New Comment. So that concludes this very basic tutorial of the Word Review Screencast. If you have questions, as always in this class, I ask that you contact me through Canvas. I'm happy to answer questions. The more you do this, the easier it will be, and this is something that will help you a lot as you go through your college career.